is Vishal and I am coming from Mumdipundi. I am currently doing my undergraduate degree in TJ's Engineering College. Today we have attended a workshop on the basics of automation, which is a very interesting topic. Today we have learnt a new thing. The topic was very useful for us, and the topic is automating the CAE, automation in CAE field. The machine we have done with manual will be automated with the help of programming language, and he had taken about AI/ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so many different topics in that field. With this, we can automate the work we have done, which will reduce our time and also a cost efficient for the companies. For this automation, the Python, TCL, TK, and different programming languages have been used for automation, and it will reduce our time, and it is also very useful for the upcoming generation. We came to know a new domain, a new field, which will a mechanical engineer can also be in a part of programming and improve their skills. By improving their skills, they can uh, achieve in that field. So by the sir, we have came to know about this new topic, and which is so useful for us. Thank you.